That's not right. It said standard.
Is it right?
I don't know. Let me see it. That's probably okay.
Yeah.
All right, what?
So what are you doing?
I'm going to put backer board on here, and I'm going to take. And this needs to be going too, and it's not.
How come it's not?
Because I haven't started it yet.
Why haven't you?
Can you see it? Because what I'm going to be doing is taking this off, undoing these faucets.
No, then you put your head straight.
My head, I'm going to be looking at that and like that, and take this off and use the Allen wrench and take this off and unscrew that, pull that out, and then I'll probably loosen these up so I can pull that back and get the backer board in there. I'm going to measure all this to show how to get to where you cut the holes in the backer board. Then I'm going to cut some holes in the backer board, and then I'm going to put that up and cut the length, and then start putting it up and figure out how to install that mirror TV. So that's going to be really exciting because we're going to be taking our jacuzzis and watching tennis and learning how to hit a forehand and a backhand and split step and go into do a volley and then do some serves and volley and then to win the other and kick the other team's little hind ends. Okay? So
Just remember when you turn your head sideways. Well, you do that all the time.
Ow! I got a broken neck, you understand. Okay, so...
Let me finish what I was saying.
No.
Listen. When you turn your head sideways and everything, you move real quick. If you want to use this, you got to remember. This is what I deal with all the time.
Okay, I'm going to take these off. The hot and cold. Set them here. Set here. Can you see what I'm doing? I'm going to take this off. You remember in one of the videos I broke one of these screws? Well, that ain't ever happening again. Boy, that was loose. I wonder if they just loosened up because of... There, shouldn't have moved so fast. Slow down, you move too fast. You got to make the morning last. Slow down, you move too fast. You gotta make the morning last. Kicking up the cobblestone, moving around and feeling groovy. Ah. Hello, Burville, hello, 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 my Burville. Okay, there's those. Now, little children, I'm going to take that off. Use the sound